Now the mean and standard deviation of a binomial distribution. Remember, a binomial distribution is one where there's only two possible answers and you have a fixed number of trials. So you're tossing a coin for a certain number of times, or you're asking people questions and their answers are the thing that you're measuring. So a binomial distribution, here's a question, and this is the topic in ALEKS, mean and standard deviation of binomial distribution. The workers unit at a certain university is quite strong. About 96% of all workers employed by the university belong to the workers union. Recently, the workers went on strike, and now a local TV station plans to interview a sample of 10 workers chosen at random to get their opinions on the strike. So we're trying to estimate the number of workers who are union members by giving the mean and the relevant distribution, that is the expectation of the relevant random variable, do not round. Okay, so first it asks for the mean. So the mean of a binomial distribution with n is the sample size and p is the probability. The mean is n times p. And the standard deviation is the square root of np, which is square root of n times p times 1 minus p. So in this case, the question is, what is the number of workers in the sample who are union members? So n is 10, because there's 10 workers in the sample, and the probability is 0.96. So 10 times 0.96 is the mean, 9.6. So that's the part A. That is the mean or expectation of the relevant variable. Then quantify the uncertainty of your estimate by giving the standard deviation. So the standard deviation is the square root of n times p times 1 minus p. So that's 9.6. 10 times 0.96 is 9.6 times 0.04. It's the square root of 0.384, which is 0.619677. And then you round to 3 decimal places. Okay? So this is the mean and standard deviation of a binomial distribution. Questions?